Hop up out the bed, put my wig on. Yeah. Listen. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. This is a very affordable YAKI pre-cut, pre-plucked, glueless wig install. Listen, if you don't do anything else today, get your change purse. So if you want to see how I got this unit from A to Slay quickly, make sure you stay tuned for that. It is also Sip and Slay. Your girl got her wine in the can today because, ooh, I've been waiting to sip on something. Ooh, that's so good. The tropical mango in the can, a vibe. The glass bottle, trash. But anywho, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from Nadula Hair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is going to be a very easy breezy, affordable, not going to break the pockets, hang up on daddy papa type of install, because this wig right here, I think it's about $100. I ain't mad at it. Let me get some water real quick because I got a little pounding right there. This is another pre-cut, pre-plucked joint. I'm pretty sure this is the first time I've done the YAKI texture from Nadula. I normally kind of shy away from the bobs from them just because, you know, they kind of iffy. Okay, I like the curly textures from the fast fashion brands. I am pleasantly surprised on how this hair is feeling. A fast fashion brand with some high quality hair, who would have thunk it? It's like 150% density, so you know, for the natural girlies who want a very sleek look without a whole bunch of texture around their face, this one is for you. Especially because it's hot outside. Listen, less hair I got on my head, the better. Let me go ahead and tint the lace because it's very ashy on my head. So I'm taking my 360 mocha powder and my brush. I got it real quick today. As always, you use whatever you want to use to blend your lace in. I like to use my makeup just because it's less mess, and that's it. I don't have nothing else. My wig did come with the elastic band and the nape grip in the back, so it should fit pretty comfortable on your head. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, wait a minute. Get your hands off me. The cap is fitting pretty comfortable. I feel like it would be a lot looser if my hair was flat under my wig. If your head is bigger than 23 inches, this one may be tight for you, especially if you wear the elastic bands. Y'all see how this is? Look at this. Okay, this is giving a very like pop out the bed, put the wig on your head. Hop up out the bed, put my wig on. Yeah. That's what I am giving. I'm here for that. Okay, I'm here for that. What I'm not here for is that hairline though. That hairline, who was angry? Whoever cut this had a bad day. They just got that lace right up off of it. I don't understand why they cut it like that. Nadula, huh? Why they do that? But y'all know me, I'm gonna work it out anyway, okay? I'm gonna work with what I got. Okay, Nairobi Mousse, just to kind of mold that lace. Oh, that's on my face. I'm gonna brush the hairs and kind of mold the hairline. I'm not even gonna bother cutting the lace because again, whoever cut this, cut it right back into the hairline. So there's really no extra space to shape the lace the way I want. I'm just gonna use what I have to get what I want. Did I just use swoops accidentally? I think I did, so all right. That mousse helps it mold like that. And Nadula comes with the bands every single time. Hold on, I got a swoop right here, but then like this one doesn't do that. Let me bring that down. I just did the swoops the girls be mad at. When they be telling me, I'm so glad you didn't use no baby swoops. Well, I did today. Somebody's gonna be upset. The mousse helped me do that. All right, so I did my makeup really quick. Now we need to, I know y'all better stop yelling in there. We're going to blow through this hair a little bit because I want to kind of give it, I want it to kind of be like a little wrap situation without it being wrapped. So we're gonna see if I can do that. I'm gonna use my blow dry brush and I'm just gonna blow through or brush through the hair really quick. Turn it on high. I'm going to put a couple curls in the hair. Not too many. I just kind of want to give it a little bit more flow. There's no strong chemical smell in this unit at all, so I didn't have to give it a whole bath, but I do suggest you wash all your human hair wigs out the pack, because you know it's still dirty, but you know, do as I say, not as I do, okay? It's actually curling really nicely, so I like that. Nadula, wait a minute. Yeah, this YAKI texture is nice. Now be careful, because it does smell like it's, I don't want to say it's burning. Maybe my curl iron is too hot, but just be careful, okay? Let me fix this one, because it's a little wonky. Gave it a little bit more body. Where's my brush? Brush the hair. Now let's go ahead and unwrap this. Ooh, swirly, swirly. I don't like that for me, so I'm just gonna kind of brush these. I don't want that much swirling going on. It just kind of shapes the hair so that when I'm brushing it out, it molds it in place. Change out my earrings really quick. And I also need to blend my lace because it is still ashy. So I'm gonna use a little bit of my contour, like so, a little dabby dab. Hold on, that might be too much. Let me get some of that off. Put that up in there like that. Make sure I look up. Let me do a little spot check. Right up in here. Brush the hair again. Hold up, there's too much dip on the chip. Let me relax that bump a little bit. Do I need to put anything in my parting space? I mean, I could, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, like that. Make sure my hairline is down how I want it. And I believe we are done. Right here, it's a little too much. So I'm just gonna cut this out. Right out the middle, just like that. Cut out what you don't need. Make your hairlines work for you, okay? Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. This is definitely serving like wrap vibes without doing the wrap. This is a perfect everyday natural wig. It's not too thick, it's not too heavy. The density is just right for this hot weather, because that heat wave that be coming in daily be sweating the glue off y'all forehead. So let's just let's stick to glueless. Glueless is where it's at. You can see the track right here on the side. So if you want to do like an up style, you can definitely do that, but you got to be careful with how you pull the hair back. I'm going to pull mine's back like this. I'm not going to use a bow today. I'm going to use my little twist over. Then I'm going to use my bobby pin it down. Let me do both sides just to even it out. Ooh, it's giving 90s. Yes, I am over the natural hair. I got a perm. Thank you. Y'all, this look good, right? Hold on, I got a little ashiness right up in there. Lace don't fail me now. I got the natural healthy inches today. I sure do. Look at this. Look. Okay, it ain't too thick. It's not too thick. It's not too full. I have no complaints about this wig, except whoever cut that lace off, don't let them do that again. They used a paper cutter or something. But that's all I got for y'all today. Shout out one more time to Nadula Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon codes for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.